Right, I'm doing a quick video. This is my old drill. Charger, 2 batteries, and the batteries are knackered. Bloody useless. And most people just take this tip, take the whole thing, down the tip, get it recycled. However, I come up with a plan B, which is the same connectors, which is on there, positive, negative, and I put a wire on them with one of these. They're quite common. And I have a battery. I have a battery here with the same connector on it. I just plug these in like that. What's negative? And a knackered battery, a knackered drill is working. There you go. Don't have to throw it away, just get another battery for it. Especially the old ones, you can't buy batteries for like that. Alright, peace out.